You know, it actually feels a little humid.
Yeah.
Even indoors.
Yeah, welcome to summer without the air conditioning working just right.
I know, right?
Yeah, it is certainly a summertime feel. Hard to believe it's April just going into May and not a little further down the calendar. Let's talk about what tomorrow looks like, which again is the opening day of May. It begins more like an opening day of, well, July, mid-60s, and that means there'll be some humidity around. Some sun mixed with the clouds, same story at lunchtime. That may be the sunniest part of the day, and that may be at best maybe a 50-50 mix. Temperatures, look at that, upper 70s at lunch. By the time we get to the end of the day, we're into the mid-80s. Noticeable amount of humidity. We're not going to call it muggy, but again, you'll notice that it's out there, and 85 is awfully hot. Let's go ahead and talk about all this, and as we do so, what we're looking at is May Day tomorrow. More like a July day. Okay, Oaks and Derby. Big days, Friday, Saturday, and if you were with us yesterday, we were talking about being pessimistic about rain chances both days, and that thinking has really not changed. We're looking at pretty good bets for rain both days. Now, that does not mean it'll be raining at Oaks time or Derby time, but at some point during the day, rain looks like a pretty decent shot, both of them. Starting on Sunday, weather looks great. Murphy's Law of Weather is how that's called. You are talking temperatures that would normally be in the low 70s. Well, we are way above that. Low 80s today, mid 80s tomorrow, still 80 around that on Thursday. A little cooler with the clouds and the rain chances we head into the big days Friday and Saturday. And talking about the dew point, and that's the amount of moisture in the air. When we're looking at tomorrow afternoon, when you see these numbers in the low 60s, that would fit into the humid category. Okay, yeah, you notice it. It's out there. It doesn't really feel like a spring day at that point. It does feel more like early summer, but we're not into the muggy category. Those numbers would have to be about 65 or over where we'd consider it muggy. Boy, here at 11 o'clock, and we're still in the low 70s in a lot of places. Jackson and Pikeville, London, Williamsburg. You see Springfield coming in at 70. Frankfort's at 72. Lexington, we also sit at 72. Along with that, a light southeast wind. No rain today. 82-59, your range of temperatures. Max Track Live Doppler, a little ground clutter showing up. Big storms out here to our west. You're going, oh no, here they come. Well, except these big storms are not really coming this way. And these are some nasty ones across parts of Missouri. The main motion of these is to the northeast, so we are not going to see these anytime soon. There are your tornado watches from Illinois through Missouri, back down into Oklahoma and Texas. One tornado warning still in effect, but there have been numerous tornado reports this afternoon and evening. Big reason for our weather staying the way it is that high pressure sitting down there in Georgia. Doesn't want to give up even with that cold high sitting to the north. Warm air wins the battle for us tomorrow, keeps the cold front from really getting anywhere close to us, so tomorrow ends up being a dry day. We continue then into Thursday. The front's still in the neighborhood. Another wave comes at us. That will increase the rain chances on Thursday. Unfortunately, it's that wave which will move along that same very slow-moving front that brings our best rain chances as we get you into Friday and Saturday. So looking ahead to Friday morning, Oaks Day. Scattered showers will be around. Now, if there's a hope for Louisville on Oaks Day, you notice as we get you into the latter part of the day that there wasn't any rain around Louisville at that point, but there were still showers more in the Lexington area. On Derby Day, well, the rain looks to be a little more widespread for us, so we have to keep that in mind. Let's check your forecast as we get you on into tonight. Partly cloudy, warm. It's a summer feel. Mid-60s. Day tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy, almost hot, kind of humid, getting breezy. We'll be in the mid-80s. Thunderstorm chances begin to increase for us on Thursday. Friday and Saturday, rain does look likely as temperatures fall down to around 70, and Sunday looks good.